Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're comparing two innovative washing machines designed for small spaces. On one side, we have the DFJKJUU portable washing machine, boasting a generous 16L capacity, perfect for tackling larger laundry loads. On the other side, we have the Elevon QD-MINIPWM-GY-1G, a compact machine with a 5.5 pounds capacity, ideal for quick washes in tight spaces. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to capacity, the DFJKJUU model takes the lead with its impressive 16-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes in one go. This is particularly beneficial for families or those with larger laundry needs. In contrast, the Elevon model offers a smaller capacity of 5.5 pounds, making it more suitable for individuals or small loads. While both machines are designed for portability, the choice of capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience. In terms of design, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine features a foldable design, making it easy to store when not in use. This is a great advantage for those with limited space. On the other hand, the Elevon QD-MINIPWM-GY-1G is designed to be compact and lightweight, perfect for RVs or small apartments. Both machines prioritize portability, but their designs cater to different user needs. Functionality is another critical aspect to consider. The DFJKJUU model offers 3 cleaning modes, allowing users to choose the best setting for their laundry needs. Additionally, it includes a removable spin-dry basket for added convenience. Meanwhile, the Elevon model provides a 2-in-1 washing and spinning function, making it an efficient choice for quick laundry tasks. While both machines offer unique features, your choice will depend on your specific laundry requirements. Thank you for watching our portable washer showdown. We hope this comparison helped you understand the strengths and weaknesses of both the DFJKJUU portable washing machine and the Elevon QD-MINIPWM-GY-1G. Remember to consider your laundry needs and space availability when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.